Hi everybody and welcome back. This year again, Dave Weiss on his YouTube channel, The Glue Bomb Show, is hosting another Random Weirdness group build. It started April 1st and goes till June 1st, so I'm a little bit late getting in because I was trying to get my egg plane done and some other kits. So now I'm jumping into the Random Weirdness group build. I'm doing the Testors Weird-Ohs Mama Bee and Baby kit, and I've had this. I got this from Dario. I traded him for the other kit that I had, and the instructions are pretty simple. Just a bunch of body parts, halves that go together, and then there's the carriage, baby carriage, I guess, with a motor in it and the baby. So it's just a matter of gluing things together, cleaning up the seams a bit, and painting it. It comes with the paint pots. I probably won't be using those. It comes with the Testors glue. This is actually pretty nice glue. It's not too strong a smell, and it comes with one of these little Testors brushes. The one thing I found, it's a lot bigger than the head is the two halves here. It's quite large. Anyway, I'm going to begin this. So thanks again to Dave for doing that. Last year I did Flying Saucers build. You can check that out online there on my YouTube channel. Anybody else wants to get in on this, I'll put the links below, and be sure to check out Dave's channel. It's called The Glue Bomb Show. So stay tuned, and we'll begin the build. Okay, well, after about 3 hours of gluing and scraping and filing, I've got all the sub-assemblies done. Got all the exhaust pipes here cleaned up and ready to be painted, and the body parts here, all the halves glued together, a little bit of putty on the seams. Got the car parts all sanded and cleaned and fitted, just dry fitted together. And I'll get some paint on these soon, primer and paint. So it's a little bit slow. The seams went together pretty well. I put glue on both sides, and then I just squeeze them together and then just scrape off the excess glue. I just still amazed how big this head piece is here. It's pretty large. So anyway, everything matches and fits pretty well, and just get on to the painting tomorrow, hopefully.